Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine, doing well. My name is Waleed Visuals Wala, and today I'm also discuss the importance of visuals or graphics in your business. Let's take an example of uh, let's take an example of auto repair business. If you are a mechanic and running some shop of an auto repair or mechanic shop, whether you are living in USA, many one of the states, what type of state, anywhere in the United States or Europe or Middle East, whatever where you are living, I don't know. But if you are running the auto repair business, I'm specifically discuss only today the auto repair. If you are running the auto repair business and uh, let's talk about the only the visuals part. Okay, I think you have a logo in your business, and I think the billboard in the outside of the shop. I think it is also in your shop. I think also these two things. And number third is the business card, and I think you also have a business card in it. Okay, I'm trying to convey the importance of these visuals in all of that things. Okay, and number one is the logo. Number second is the billboard, and number third is the business card, and number fourth is the letterhead, and number five is the website. If you have not website, so you are not exist in the world of this global community or global world. Okay, you should have a website, and these are all of the four things. And um, number five is like your services card, or some type of banner flyer where all of your services with the price tag will mentioned. If you are, I think you will make a banner all of the with the price tag in it, and there is maybe a difference in opinion. Maybe some mechanic is comfortable to sharing their prices on the wall everywhere, or some maybe not doing that, but it depend on the client, and depend on the client and each of the services or each of the car if you are doing something. So yeah, if you have a banner with specifically with your services you are offering in the banner, and yeah, let's consider it. And or and other, I think, which let I think it's enough. If you were all of these visuals, let's talk about all of that visuals. I think, I hope so. I'm not forgetting anything else where the visuals are involved. Huh. Oh yeah, your t-shirt design. Okay. If you're not having a well-designed t-shirt as well with your logo in it, your brand values or your brand message in the back or whatever quote or whatever the design in the t-shirt also, it is a very unique experience. Okay, it is the experience of what you are doing with your business in the terms of when customers land on your or when the customers are on your shop. It's all about the reviews, okay, in your business. And I will give you an advice that you should ask to the review you should ask reviews. Okay, you should ask reviews to your buyers or your clients, whoever come and take your services. Okay, each day whenever the client or buyer will come to you and they do some services from you, or their maintenance of car or whatever doing with you or with their car, after the problem is solved, your services offer, you will try or ask him to give us the review. That is the strongest part of your business in the terms of how your business is going and your experience with their buyer clients are going on, where is it is on going on. Okay, so where they will give you next the reviews. I think Google, if you have a Google business shop, they will directly give you the review on it, and when typing on the Google, and then simultaneously you will get a review. Okay, and you will ask them that you will be honest. There is no in bias national is not involved, and they, you will ask them that you will give 100% about our business, whether it is good or bad, or what type of services we are not in up to, which customer experience is not good, which type of things is not you are up to mark. So gives us an honest opinion about that. We will improve it. Okay, so after that, if you are now you will try that, you will change your visual opinion of your business. Okay, for example, you have an old 20 years ago type of logo, visuals, visual type of story of visuals, and billboards 20 years old, all of that thing, and there is no such website in it. Okay, after what you can do after changing you all of these things, and your 10 years old clients and buyers, after changing all of these things, logo, billboard, your letterhead, and your website, and your banner, flyer somewhere in the shop. Okay, yeah, and one more thing, the textures of the wall, if you are something, some type of paint, or this is also very important thing. Okay, so there should be a branding of your logo or your business in the wall as a whole. I think that will be give you extra power. Okay, so then after changing the things, you will ask to the buyers or clients that how are visuals, how the visuals are looking, and then ask them to give a review to us. Then you will amazed, or you will the buyers will tell how much the difference they are feeling after branding on new branding. Okay, that is why the branding and all of that is important. Okay, then, and the visual storytelling through the different of these things about your brain will convey the message itself. Okay, so today we learn about, sorry, learn about the branding or your all type of design, and how they will and review from your buyers, and then judge or learn how your business is going in the perspective of services, in the perspective of visuals, branding of your business, how the buyers are look into their thing. Or okay, and all of that other stuff we'll discuss. Okay, I hope so you understand what I'm trying to say, and what's my point on the branding and all of that thing. I hope so you are uh, you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say. Okay, if you have any a question, let me in the tell me in the comment section. I think I will hope so that I will give you my opinion on that, or whatever you are trying to ask. Okay, I hope so. And if you're not getting my point, then I think I hope so in the future I will make another video in detail about that, what I'm trying to say about the design part. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.